Hello students, welcome back. This is SHIVALEELA from Upper Public School. Come on. In last clipping, 7.6, we did half, isn't it? Okay, half exercise we solved. And in fifth problem, in fifth bit, I said there are two addition and subtraction boxes. First one that you have to solve, I said, because these fractions are like fraction. Denominators are same. You can do it by yourself. Very easy. Okay. If you doesn't understand also, see how you have to do is, see they get plus here. That means you have to add these two fractions and write the answer here. And here this is minus. That means these two fractions you have to subtract and write the answers here. Then what to do here? Either add these two or subtract these two. You will get same answer only. Okay. Do the same thing for first box also. That is very easy. Here it is 2 by 3 and 4 by 3 here. 3 will be denominator. 2 plus 4 will be 6. 6 by 3 you will get 2 as the answer in the first box. I mean first row. Then in the same way second row also you will get 3 by 3, that is 1. According to, vertically you will get 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Again you will get 1 as this column. Okay. That is your work. You just do it as page number 161, NCERT textbook. Hope all of you have the textbook. Okay. There is exercise 7.6, page number 161, fifth bit. First problem is yours. Okay, very easy it is. You can. No problem at all. Okay. The next one is this one. Okay, here I'm like the same. You can do it, but still I'm just doing. If you don't get that idea, by referring this one. See, first horizontally. These two you have to add. See, addition symbol gave. Horizontally they give addition. Vertically they give subtraction. So horizontally you have to add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Okay. These two are co-prime. LCM of two co-prime number is the product of those two numbers. So this is 6. Okay. Then 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So 3 plus 2. 1 3 is a 3, 1 2 is a 2. So you will get 5 by 6 is the answer. That you have to write here. 5 by 6. Next to these two. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Again, these two are co-prime only. Right? So, LCM is the product of these two. So 3 4s are 12. Or else you can use cross multiplication also. 4 1s are 3 1s are and 4 3s are. Like that. So 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Multiply these. 1 4s are 4 plus 1 3s are 3. 7 by 12. Okay? 7 by 12. Now these two we have to subtract. Okay? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay? Then again 6 is the LCM. 2 3s are 3 2s are 1 3s are 3 minus 1 2s are 2. That is equals to 1 by 6. This is the answer here. Next, these. Subtract these two. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So, subtract. 12 is the LCM. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Multiply. 4 minus 3. That is 1 by 12. That is the answer. Now here, this one, either subtract these two or add these two. You will get same answer. Okay, either subtract these two, okay, or add these two. You can try. See, 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12. Now, 6 and 12, both are not co-prime. Then how to find the LCM? You can find the LCM like this also, no problem. I said one trick, no. Bigger number, 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 is there in both the table, right? So LCM is 12 itself, common multiple. That is only the lowest one. So 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. If you do like this also, you will get that same number. See, 2 3s are 2 6s are, 2 3s are 2 3s are, 3 1s are. So LCM 2 into 2 into 3. That is nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Directly you get. Same answer you will get. Okay, this is just a trick. Okay. Now 5 twos are 10 minus 7. Okay. So 3 by 12. Now both are divisible by 3. Okay. Both are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours. 1 by 4 is the answer here. Let us check here also. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. 12 is the LCM. 6 twos are 12 ones are. So 1 twos are 2 plus 1 ones are 1. That is 3 by 12. Both are divisible by 3. That is nothing but 1 by 4. Same answer you will get. No need to do both. Any one is enough. Okay? So you will get 1 by 4 as your answer. Oh, very easy, isn't it? And very funny also. Interesting. Isn't it? Come on. Next one. See, a piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One wire, okay, total length is 7 by 8 meter. It is broke into two pieces. It is broken, this one and this one. Two pieces, okay. And one piece they have given, one piece was 1 by 4 meter long. Then what is the length of another piece? Don't get confused. See, if you get confused what to do here, if you get confused, do one thing. Just exchange these numbers with the whole number. For example, if this is 7 meter long wire, okay, let me use this one only. If this is 7 meter long, then what I'll do, if I cut it into two pieces, if I break it into two pieces, I'll get two pieces. One is this one, another one is this one, right? If this one is 4 meter long, then how much will be this one? This full 4 meter, total 7 meter. Then how much will this one? What we have to do? Subtraction, isn't it? 7 minus 4. From this, subtract this one. You will get only this much. Isn't it? In the same way here also. Subtraction. Subtraction of fractions we know. Isn't it? Come on, let us do that. Okay? Yes. Total length of wire. Total length of wire, that is 7 by 8 meter. Then length of one piece. Length of one piece of wire, that is 1 by 4 meter. Then length of another piece. Length of another piece is how much? That is nothing but we have to subtract it. That is nothing but 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Now 8 and 4 both are not co-prime. What is the LCM of 4 and 8? Obviously 8, no. 8 is in 8 table also, 4 table also. 8 is the multiple of 8 also. 8 is the multiple of 4 also. 4 twos are 8, isn't it? Therefore, 8 is the LCM. If it doesn't get, obviously use this method only. Okay? Use that method only. See, 4, 8. 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 8. 4, 2 ones are. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Right? Got it? You can, okay? That is your rough work. Then now, 8 ones are 4 twos are. 7 ones are 7 minus 1 twos are 2. That is nothing but 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, not 2, 5. 5 by 8 meter. Okay, 5 by 8 meter. So therefore, the length of another piece, length of another piece of wire, another piece of wire is 5 by 8 meter. Okay? Very easy, isn't it? Yes, it is. Still, few more problems are there. Let us solve those also. Okay. And even in the next problem also, see, we have to compare the fractions. Subtraction, addition over, second and third problem was based on addition. Transposition over third bit. Fourth one was the transposition. And this sum fun is also over this addition and subtraction box. Now, word problem based on subtraction, that is also over. Now, let us see what is next. Is it based on addition? Is it based on subtraction? Is it based on comparison? Or is it based on conversion? Okay, let us check it now. Next one, Nandini's house. Seventh one, Nandini's house. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer. 9 by 10 kilometer from her school. From her school. She walked some distance. She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer. Then took a bus for 1 by 2 kilometer. 1 by 2 kilometer. How far did she walk? Okay. How far did she walk? How far did she walk? Come on. See, Nandini's house, the distance between house and school is 9 by 10 kilometer. Okay, she'll walk some distance and then she'll take a bus for half kilometer. How much she walked, we have to find out. This is nothing but subtraction only. From this total, subtract this much. Okay, I'll see. See, from this total distance, this much you walk by bus. If we subtract this, we'll get this much only, no? So, come on. The distance between Nandini's school and house. Nandini's school and house is 9 by 10 kilometer. Then distance she covered by bus. Distance she covered by bus. How much? 1 by 2 kilometer. Then the distance you walk. The distance she walked is 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2. That is nothing but, see, LCM. 2, 10. In this bigger one is 10. 10 is in 10 table also. 10 is the multiple of 10 also. 10 is the multiple of 2 also. Therefore, 10 is only the common multiple for both. No. And this is only the least one. Lesser than that, there will be no another number. So therefore, LCM is 10. 10, 1s are 10, 2, 5s are 10. So 9 minus 5. It is nothing but 9 minus 5 is nothing but 4 by 10. Got it? 4 by 10. And both are divisible by 2 now. Divide it by 2, divide it by 2. So 2 2s are, 2 5s are. So 2 by 5 kilometer. So therefore, Nandini walked. Nandini walked for 2 by 5 kilometer, or only 2 by 5 kilometer. Got it? Yes. Next one is Asha and Samuel. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size. Okay, same size bookshelves they both have. Okay, filled with books. Asha's shelf is 5 by 6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5 full. Then whose bookshelf is more full and by what fraction? See, I'm not going to write this question. I read it, right? Once again, I'll say. See, Asha and Samuel both have bookshelves that of same size. Okay, both the bookshelves of same size. Asha's bookshelf is 5/6 full and Samuel's bookshelf is 2/5 full. Okay, 5/6 means out of 6 parts, 5 parts is filled. Here, out of 5 parts, 2 parts are filled. Okay, then whose bookshelf is more covered and by what fraction? So come on, let us do that. Eighth one, a part of fraction. Part of fraction filled. Part of fraction of bookshelf. Okay, not direct. Okay, part of fraction of bookshelf filled with, this is common sentence, this is common statement for both the this one, with Asha's book. Asha's books, it is 5/6. And the Samuel's books is 2/5. Right? So now comparison. To say who's filled more, we have to compare it. To compare, we need same denominator, but here denominators are different. 5 by 6, 2 by 5. Compare. Denominators are different. Then make the denominators same. How? LCM method. 2 and 6 and 5. Both are different and both are co-prime. Then LCM, it is nothing but, which is the LCM? Product of both the numbers, right? 30. 6 5s are 30. In 6 table, see, 6 5s are 30. Do the same thing for numerator also. 5 6s are 30. Do the same thing for numerator also. So you will get 5 5s are 25 divided by 30 and 2 6s are 12 divided by 30. Don't say these two are divisible by 5, madam. Yes, they are divisible by 5 because we multiplied by 5. Got it? Now compare. Denominators are same, right? Denominators are same. Compare the numerators. This is more, right? That means 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is more than 2 by 5. So therefore, Asha's bookshelf. Asha's bookshelf filled with more number of books. Filled more. Let us write only more. Or more number of books. Okay. By what fraction? By, they asked. By, subtract these two. 25 by 30 minus 12 by 30. Subtract. Denominator is same. 25 minus 12. Okay. 25 minus 12 is 30 by 30. Over. Very easy, isn't it? Now, last question from this chapter. From this bit also, from this chapter also. Okay? Yes. Come on. So now, last question is Jaidev takes, again this one also, Jaidev takes 2 integer 1 by 5 minutes. 2 integer 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Okay, Jaidev takes 2 integer 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same thing. So, who takes less time? Who takes less time and by what fraction? That is the question. Same thing. Compare. Here we have to say whose bookshelf is more filled. Now we have to say who took less time. By what fraction? Same thing. Subtraction only. Okay. Come on. Here also we have to do the same thing. Okay. Come. Ninth one. Time taken by Jaidev. Time taken by Jaidev. 2 integer 1 by 5 minutes. Let us convert it into improper fraction. It is mixed fraction. No, convert it. 2 5s are 10 plus 1. That is 11 by 5 minutes. And time taken by Rahul. Time taken by Rahul. Time taken by Rahul is 7 by 4 minutes. 7 by 4 minutes. Then compare to say who took less time. Okay, comparison. Let us compare 11 by 5 and 7 by 4. Again, denominators are co-prime. We have to make same denominator. Multiply this with this with this. That's it. 4, 4, 5, 5. Right? Denominators will be same. 4 5s are 20, 4 5 4s are 20. So 11 4s are 44 by 20, 35 by 20. Then this is more, this is the less. Right? Therefore, who took less time? See, this one once again, if you want, you can write. That is 11 by 5 is more than 7 by 4. That means 7 by 4 is less than 11 by 5. So therefore, Rahul took less time. Rahul took less time. By what fraction? By subtract. 44 by 20 minus 35 by 20. Denominator is same. Keep it as it is. Subtract the numerator. 35. Okay. 44 minus 35. It is 9 by 20 minutes. Oh. Yes, it's almost around 23 minutes completed. Chapter over. And most of the students were asking about 5th chapter. See, students, watch the videos oftenly because in many videos I mentioned that we have skipped that chapter for time being. Okay, now see, this chapter is completed. Next, I'm going to take a 5th chapter only. Okay, I'll meet you with the next chapter in the next clipping. Until then, solve these problems, and few problems I gave you to solve by yourself. Solve it. Okay, don't ignore anything. It is your study. Don't take it as granted. Be serious towards your studies. Okay, we'll meet in the next clipping with the next chapter, not next chapter, previous chapter. That is 5th chapter, understanding elementary shapes. Okay, until then, take care. Bye.